4, Coconino County for the Page and Lake Powell areas in north central Arizona until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 4:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Glen Canyon Dam or near Page, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Page, Rattlesnake Canyon, Willoughby, Gollier Park, Lee's Ferry, Tower Butte, Horseshoe Bend, Antelope Point Marina, Glen Canyon Dam, Leachy, Vermilion Park, Labyrinth Canyon, Trapeze Cove, Antelope Island, Wild Horse Mesa, NMS Beach, Page Municipal Airport, Elm Street Fitness Park, and Stud Horse Point. This includes the following highways: State Route 98 between mile markers 548 and 549. United States Highway 89 between mile markers 544 and 556. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging wind and continuous cloud to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on or near Lake Powell, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Repeat. The